In this video, I want to show you how to add a home button on your iPhone 17. So it acts just like a home button it's supposed to. So if you open an app, if you press that button, well, it will go back on the home screen no matter where you are. And when you're not using it, it will faint slightly so it's not in the way, as you see. But when you need it, it will appear. So to do that, it's very easy. First, you need to go into the settings of your iPhone 17. Then you need to go in accessibility, right over here. Go down, select touch. The first option is assistive touch. By default, it's turned off. So tap over here and make sure that it's turned on. Then you're going to go over here where you see custom action, and where you see single tap, click on it and select home. So the button will be a home button. And by the way, you can move this button anywhere on the display. It doesn't have to stay down below. So if you prefer making it on the top right corner, it can stay there. And as you see, you'll still be able to see your battery levels and other stuff. So once you're done, simply go back and start using your home button every time you want to go back home, just like on the older iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.